Danke bafethu. So one of the standout players yeStellenbosch uSihle Nduli i-middle fielder laphana sokuvelile ukuthi next season uzojoina iOrlando Pirates njengoba icontract yakhe izophela around June this year yabo. uNduli ke una 29 kudala vele kunama reports ukuthi ama teams waseGauteng ayamfuna since establishile azenze one of the key members of iStellenbosch yabo for the past 2 seasons. So kuStellenbosch abadlali sebahambile sibonile umthetho wajoin iKaizer Chiefs and then lokho kwavulela uNduli isikhala sokuthi abe one of the most important players laphana kuStellenbosch especially ku midfielder yabo. So this season nje kuphela lo mdlali lo weStellenbosch sedlale over 41 games egameni lakhe unegol elilodwa le goal lelivele walishaya futhi walishaya ngathi ku CAF and lo mdlali lo waye heavily involved ku CAF Confederations Cup lapha ba knock out khona one of the biggest teams on the African continent, which is African Giants is Amalek yabo. So iOrlando vele kuvela ukuthi bayamfuna lo mdlali lona bambhekile ngempela for the past season or so or kuma previous transfer window. Fortunately ke abakazange ukumthola lo mdlali because bekasase under contract kuStellenbosch, but ke manje contract yakhe kusho ukuthi yaphela. iStellenbosch ke bazomluza mahala, which is very sad ukuthi umdlali kuStellenbosch odlale kangaka nanokuthi one of the most standout stars alaphana kulo kuStellenbosch uzohamba mahala after isikhathi esingaka seteamini because iStellenbosch simkhulise ngempela uNduli. Without iStellenbosch angazi ukuthi ngabe uSihle Nduli ukuphi ngempela yabo. Lo mdlali lona akadlalelanga nje iStellenbosch kuphela, uke wadlala na kuTS Galaxy. uTS Galaxy ke udlale I think over 4 seasons if not 3.5, udlale over 70 games kuTS Galaxy, but la wavela khona wavela ku Cape Town All Stars laphana ku National First Division waya na ku Witbank Spurs yabo. So I think wajoin iTS Galaxy 2018 lapho ke iTS Galaxy ine status saku National First Division and then uNduli ke waba one of the members of iTS Galaxy. Wahlala njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uhlale 4 years kuTS Galaxy, wadlala ama game amaningi kakhulu yabo, and then ke wasuka ke lapho kuTS Galaxy kulana ajoina iStellenbosch. Kodwa ke uStellenbosch kula impela azibonise kakhulu ukuthi is one of the most talented guys ku South African football nanokuthi bambheke kakhulu. So le midfielder le Orlando Pirates I think into izo-edda istability ku midfielder ukuthi midfielder ye Orlando Pirates ibe stable ukuthi ikwazi ukucontrol ama games because phambili uya contribute nanokuthi uyakwazi ukumaka ngempela. So uEdda experience yakhe ukudlala ku CAF Champions League, ku CAF Confederations Cup, experience yakhe ukudlala all over Africa nanokuthi player leli likwaziyo ngempela ukuzibambela kuma game amakhulu yabo. Is one of the most exciting players ku league. Dala ku league inkosami wafika wazibonakalisa ngempela ukuthi is one of the standout players. Ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates i good signing for yena njengoba kuthiwa kune verbal agreement, so kune agreement ukuthi vele uzojoin Orlando Pirates. If vele ujoin Orlando Pirates the way ama reports asho ngakhona kusho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will miss out ekusayineni uNduli. Danko bafethu.